Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Or if this is your first time here, this is my 2011 Genesis Coupe. And what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you the exhaust I have on my car. It's the ISR Racing catback exhaust, so no muffler, but has a sport resonator. It's just going to be a quick little video of like a cold start, a warm start, and just some revvings and some drive-bys. So that's going to be it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. We're at 5,000 RPMs. It's not his real red line, but that's where his car limits him at revving.